Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in tech and gaming hardware. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best 3060 graphics card on the market, the ASUS Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 V2 OC Edition. If you're looking for power, performance, and impressive cooling in a 3060, this is the card you need to consider. First up, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 3060 V2 features the latest NVIDIA Ampere architecture, delivering remarkable performance. With 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, this card can handle all the latest games and applications with ease. Whether you're gaming or doing content creation, the RTX 3060 V2 is built to deliver high frame rates and stunning visuals. What sets this card apart is its OC mode, which pushes the boost clock to an impressive 1867 MHz, ensuring a smooth experience whether you're gaming or running demanding applications. Even in gaming mode, it runs at 1837 MHz, still offering top-tier performance. It's equipped with NVIDIA's second-generation RT cores, meaning it can handle real-time ray tracing and deliver an experience that's unmatched by its predecessors. If you've been waiting to dive into next-gen gaming, the ray tracing and DLSS support on this card are game-changers. Cooling is always an important factor when choosing a graphics card, and the ASUS Dual RTX 3060 doesn't disappoint. It features two axial tech fans with a smart design that maximizes airflow while maintaining low noise levels. These fans have a smaller hub to allow for longer blades, creating more downward pressure for optimal cooling. Plus, the 0 decibels technology ensures that the fans stop when the temperature is low, providing a completely silent experience during less intense tasks. So, whether you're grinding through an action-packed scene or just browsing, you'll enjoy quiet performance. The card is built with durability in mind. The backplate is reinforced with aluminum, adding strength and protecting the card from physical damage. It also comes with a stainless steel bracket for additional support, preventing any flex during installation. This is part of ASUS's commitment to quality and longevity, ensuring that your card remains in great condition for years. When it comes to compatibility, the Dual RTX 3060 V2's two-slot design makes it a perfect fit for a wide range of builds, even compact ones. Whether you're building a new rig or upgrading an existing setup, this card will easily fit and work in your case. It supports up to 8K resolution, so if you're on the cutting edge of display tech, this card is ready to deliver incredible visual fidelity. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 3060 V2 OC Edition isn't just another graphics card. It's a powerhouse that combines cooling, performance, and reliability. If you're serious about gaming, content creation, or any GPU-intensive task, this card will deliver the experience you're looking for. That's it for today's review. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this review and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest and in-depth tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about this card and if it's the right fit for your setup. See you in the next one.